So this is the world's first power saving device which is connected onto a live stone crusher. Connected onto this stone crusher. So
Hi Roshan, how are
hi
you doing?
Datta, I'm good. How about you?
Good, good.
Yes, Datta.
What is new update, Roshan?
So Datta, what you actually see behind me is a power saving device
Okay.
by Green Gyro Power Tech Private Limited. So this particular device has actually been asked by a lot of viewers, a lot of industrialists who want to understand from use case scenario as to how exactly this device will be useful on an actual market.
Okay.
So over here, the power saving device actually runs under this technology which is called as power saving technology, and this power saving technology is introduced by Green Gyro Power Tech Private Limited, where we would actually like to reduce the consumption of a particular industry by at least 50% of whatever they have been getting from an electricity board. So any EV board, if they are giving about any number of kilowatts like 250 and above, we are going to reduce that particular consumption to 50% by giving the same output, same efficiency, but reducing their initial consumption. So what I will show you over here is an overview of everything. Okay, so here we have actually set up this power saving device in this 250 kilowatt powered stone crusher. So if you actually see over here, this entire crusher, stone crusher which you see is run by about 250 kilowatts, and that is set up by this particular electrical infrastructure set up by the electricity board.
Okay.
So what we are doing is we are actually placing our particular power saving device, we are installing it before the stone crusher and right before this particular meter. So if you monitor these particular cablings, this is the same cabling which runs over there to our device, which is mentioned there, and it goes back over here to the electricity board infrastructure which was being created here. So whatever power which is being given over here, suppose for 250 kilowatt, right, what is here.
Correct.
So the next month what you actually see is, once this entire the power saving device is set up over here, the next month you will only see a 50% reduction in your particular bill or whatever you've been getting. So this is like a 50% savings. This is for all the industries out there. Okay, and this particular savings, how it actually becomes even beneficial is on the long run, you'll get to save 50%, but you're still running your entire product at 100% with 100% efficiency. So consider this as actually like a capacitor. This particular device, what you see over here, is nothing but a capacitor which runs, and it is able to power up 100% efficiency and 100% output, considering only 50% of whatever you are taking in from the electricity board. So what you see over here is a fully functional machine which is able to give the fully functional output. And we are able to give this technology not only to any limited industries, but this is for all industries, anything from heavy engineering to factories to any sort of industries or units which you would say, from 250 kilowatts to any extent. Could be 1 megawatt, 10 megawatts, 100 megawatts and so on. So the size or the quantum does not matter. And what you see, this power saving device is actually custom made. So it is custom made for each and every like industry. So the business model in which we actually work is, we would request our particular like prospective clients to actually visit greengyropowertech.com. So there's this particular page called as service booking page. Please go through it. So in that there is an elaborate view as to how exactly we work and how we are going to take things forward. But to give you an overview, whoever does come forward to us and does sign a particular agreement, we will be doing a particular assessment by sending our engineers over to the on-site place and verifying as to where exactly the transformer is and where we can keep this particular device, because the space which is there, right, from a particular industry to industry always differs. So on doing these particular adjustments is where we would actually finalize the design and then get the final machine like given to that particular facility. So that's how it is. But nevertheless, to just give a small note on this particular power saving device, it actually will match your voltage, it will match your the power factor readings, it will match the kilowatts, it will match everything whatever is being given from the electricity board, and that's how we are able to provide that particular output. So this is just like a holistic creation which is being made. This can revolutionize the entire industrial power sector and for whatever power which you'll actually want to receive also. So what you're seeing right now, that you're witnessing the future, this is the future. The power saving device is the future. So I would like to tell one and all, please do come, please visit our a website, please do come and sign in along with us. Let's make the world a better place. So thank you, Datta.
Thank you, Roshan. Thanks for the information.
Definitely.
Thank
And
you.
looking forward for all our prospective
Yes.
clients.
Yes.
Thank you. So now what you're seeing is the world's first power saving device connected onto this stone crusher. So if you actually see even in the video, you can actually see the stones which are getting pulled through the conveyor belt and which is being dropped. This is all being done by this particular power saving device. And this is the first of its kind which we actually set up over here. And we would also want this to be set up in various other industries. So to everyone and all viewers and other industrialists, please be noted that such a power saving device can also help you. So now what you're seeing is the world's first power saving device connected onto this stone crusher. So if you actually see even in the video, you can actually see the stones which are getting pulled through the conveyor belt and which is being dropped. This is all being done by this particular power saving device. And this is the first of its kind which we actually set up over here. And we would also want this to be set up in various other industries. So to everyone and all viewers and other industrialists, please be noted that such a power saving device can also help you. So now what you're seeing is the world's first power saving device connected onto this stone crusher. So if you actually see even in the video, you can actually see the stones which are getting pulled through the conveyor belt and which is being dropped. This is all being done by this particular power saving device. And this is the first of its kind which we actually set up over here. And we would also want this to be set up in various other industries. So to everyone and all viewers and other industrialists, please be noted that such a power saving device can also help.